Today's competition, which will help you on the following exam, is brought to you by celebrity chef Etienne M. Brought to you by my sponsor. The taste is questionable, but the name is great. This is the full bowl. The winner is going to get 100 million life points. I promise you. If you get 3 in a row, you win. You come back for another round. The purpose of the average Houseman building? It's 6 stories. What was the purpose of building? you know, they're tough. They're tough. They're tough. Any idea? And ranking meaning? Very good. So the housing buildings were built so that the higher you got, the lower class you were, the richer people at the bottom. Congratulations. Final question. Origin of the word arrondissement. Ready? Is? Around. We're going to take it. Take the winner, put them over there. You guys come up. Oh, over there. Check it out, check it out. True or false? Question of irony. The Petit Palais is actually bigger than the Grand Palais. True or false? They got it. They're right. It is not. Which museum does not have a collection of Impressionism? Marmottan, Musée d'Orsay, L'Orangerie, or Jus de Pomme? Last one, they got it. Check wins. The Jus de Pomme, or sometimes when they're combined, it's called Jus d'Orange. This is tails. They go first. The name of the aircraft manufacturing company based in Toulouse. They got it. Where is the Palais de Tokyo?
Next to where we were.
16. That's what happens when you do it. Can you do that again? So, the Korean team wants to give out a shout. What are you going to do to them? They're going to kick your ass. I'm telling you, genius over here. Musée du Louvre. What is the French name of Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa? Up, they get it. Up they go. What is Le Penseur thinking? The correct answer is, where are my pants? The Lions win, sorry about that. Lithuania. Your waitress will be with you in a moment. Okay, the David versus Goliath, kind of. Okay, Albert Garnier. Who is on the roof of Opera Garnier with the god Apollo? Song? Two Muses. Okay. There are two statues in front of Basilica Sacré-Cœur on Montmartre. Okay. One of them is Jeanne d'Arc. Who's the second one? One of the Louis. Give me a number between 10 and 12.
11.
Okay, you got it. What do you got? General knowledge. How many horse racing tracks, steeplechase tracks, did we pass during our ride?
2.
Two, they got it. Bring up Hungary, Norway, Sweden. What is 0 kilometers? And where is it located? No, you got this, but do you remember where? Not the square, but 30 meters outside. Bravo. So 0 kilometer is the geographical center of France, is where all maps are measured. Okay? Yes. General question. Okay. Who built Chateau Versailles? Got it. Okay. Who lived at Chateau Versailles? A lot of Louis. You said one, you just. This is why I stay here. This is why I stay here. Okay, we got Austria, Australia, Switzerland.
Yeah.
Can you stand up? Okay, so we're not doing too much. The name of the door sculpture at Musée Rodin, one of the last things we saw in that weekend in September. This is romantic. I love being with you all.
Hell.
You got it. Okay, sit down.
Hell.
Gates of Hell, the Porton Fair. Emory. The international business area is outside of France. Why is it? They announced it was La Défense. Why? Pourquoi?
Because it's close outside Paris.
And
The building only at the Notre Dame.
you win it. Okay, you're good.
I forgot.